The Welsh Rugby Union is preparing to propose a dramatic reduction in the number of professional teams from 4 to 2 in a bid to address the sport's struggles on and off the field. Since the creation of the regional model in 2003, the quartet of Cardiff Rugby, Dragons, Ospreys and Scarlets have enjoyed moments of success but struggled for consistent impact in Europe or at domestic level. Financial pressures have meant the men's national side have suffered with a record run of 18 test defeats, sequence only halted last month. It is unclear whether these would be mergers of current teams or entirely new identities, but they could be split along east to west lines in South Wales. A 6-week consultation will be held before a final decision is taken in October, with changes likely to be phased in over the coming seasons. Despite looming upheaval, the existing regions are pressing ahead with their own projects. The Scarlets have secured new investment from US-based agency House of Luxury, while the Ospreys are redeveloping St Helens in Swansea ahead of the 2026 campaign. The Dragons have insisted elite rugby must remain in Gwent, and WRU Chief Exec Abby Tierney has emphasised the importance of a Cardiff presence. Dave Reddin, the union's new director of rugby, is also involved in shaping the plan. Under the proposals, each men's squad would comprise around 50 players, drawn mainly from Welsh qualified talent, and operate on a budget of £7.8 million. While this represents a significant increase on the £4.5 million available to each region last season, it still lags behind the resources of Europe's leading clubs. Training would be centralised on a national campus. The WRU has acknowledged the current model is unsustainable, stating that the system, which includes professional clubs, community rugby, academy, university and schools, isn't delivering consistent success and cannot be maintained in its present form.